ladies and gentlemen. You know me, I don't film in. Oh my God, they've got everything here. I'm in Germany. This store is just this is the German version of B&Q. Wow. Just wow. So I'm looking for a battery. I think we're gonna have to measure the posts. 120. 100 Hagerbau. But there's no. I need a silver calcium battery. Can't be any old battery. Hartec power. Calcium technology. Let's see. 12 volts, 60 amps. That should fit. Can't risk it though. I have to. I'll have to go. I can't buy a battery and not check it. But they've got everything here, dude. Look. Okay, that's more power drill shit. Dude, look at the stuff they've got, guys. You know me, I don't do YouTube videos normally. Well, I'm building up an archive for the Grand movie. So basically, I'm in Germany on my way to Turkey. And boy, they've got everything. Oh, wow. Just wow. They've got brake fluid. They've got diff fluid. Look, they've got liquid moly 7590. Oh my God. I don't want to go to Turkey. I just want to live here now. I think I'm going to move to Germany. This is just freaking awesome. All right, so the guy said there's another place around the corner called RTU. So I'm gonna go. Oh, look, battery posts. Oh, bro, they've got everything. They've got everything. Are these the same? They must be the same size. So they will not fit on that post there. Definitely not. Or will they? Oh, they might do, you know. Worth a try, right? No, but that's not the. Better put that back on. There we go. All right. So I need to go and measure my battery connectors. They've got headlights, baby seats. They've even got a wire crimper, bro. You can't even find this shit in Halfords. Fuses, connectors. Oh my God. Wait, I am recording, right? Let's go back. Yeah. Mate. They've got brake cleaner, lacquer, fiberglass. Guys. Look, they've even got a polisher. Dude. Alright, so I'm going to look at some more tools and stuff. Oh my God. Mate, I think I'm going to move to Germany. Serious. Dude, they've even got mechanics clothes. Like, where have you seen this? What the hell is that? Cordless compressed air pump. Look at this. I've never even seen this. Bro, we're living in fucking the 1500s in the UK, you know that? I'm telling you, mate. We are living in the 1500s in the UK. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to buy the battery posts. So I'm going to buy these and hopefully fit. Should I open one of these? Screw it, let's open it. Oh shit. They feel a bit flimsy. Is that the same size? Oh, for fuck's sake, what the fuck is going on? I've gone into a fucking